How to make cross-chain swaps with DeSwap. Every crypto user should know how to transfer value between different blockchains. Cross-chain bridges like DeBridge act as pipelines between chains. DeBridge supports 7 blockchains and allows users to swap tokens in a secure and decentralized way. This guide will explain how to make interchain transfers between Polygon and Avalanche networks via DeSwap tool. Connect wallet. Go to DeSwap and tap Connect Wallet. A Connect Wallet window will appear, asking you to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Choose a wallet. We will use MetaMask. A MetaMask notification will pop up, asking you to confirm the action. Select your wallet, tap Next, and click Connect. After connecting your wallet, you can start swapping. How to swap tokens? Let's swap Automatic to AVAX. It'll be a transfer from Polygon to Avalanche. You should add both networks to MetaMask. Select Polygon in the Send From lists of blockchains. Select Avalanche in the Send To list of blockchains. Enter an amount. It's Automatic in our case. Click Confirm Transfer. The Check Your Transfer window will appear. Here you can optionally adjust various parameters, such as transaction speed, max fee, max priority fee, and slippage tolerance. For this guide, we'll leave everything in default mode. Click the Confirm Transfer button. MetaMask notification will pop up once again, asking you to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm. All done. Wait a few moments for the transaction to proceed. You can track the progress by clicking on the notification below. Check your MetaMask wallet for AVAX tokens. We have successfully swapped Automatic for 0.28 AVAX. Subscribe to Everstake to keep up with the latest staking news.